If you want to create a QR code for a Google Drive file, folder, or document, this is one of the easiest ways to share it quickly and professionally. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get your Google Drive link, turn it into a QR code, and download the image so you can use it anywhere. This is perfect for classrooms, business handouts, event flyers, product packaging, or simply making file sharing easier for your audience. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive and find the file you want to share. This can be a document, spreadsheet, PDF, folder, or any file you want people to access. Once you find it, right-click on the file and choose Get Link. This is the important step that lets you generate a shareable link. After clicking Get Link, you'll see the sharing settings. Make sure the file is set to Anyone with the link. If it's restricted, people who scan the QR code may not be able to open it, so this step is really important. If needed, change the access permissions so anyone with the link can view the file. You can also adjust whether people can only view, comment, or edit, depending on how you want to share it. Once the permissions are set correctly, click Copy Link. This copies the Google Drive URL to your clipboard, and that is the link we're going to convert into a QR code. Next, open a new tab in your browser. In the address bar, go to a QR code generator website. For this tutorial, you can use QR code generator, but you can also use any trusted QR code site you prefer. The process is very similar on most platforms. When the QR code website opens, look for the option to create a URL QR code. Then paste your Google Drive link into the field. Double-check that the full link is pasted correctly, because if the link is incomplete or broken, the QR code won't work properly. Now click Generate QR Code. The website will instantly create a QR code based on your Google Drive link. At this point, you can usually customize the style, colors, or frame if you want your QR code to match your brand or presentation. But if you just need a simple working QR code, the default version is perfectly fine. Once the QR code appears, click Download to save the image to your computer or phone. You can then place that QR code in a presentation, print it on a poster, add it to a business card, or share it digitally. When someone scans it, they'll be taken directly to your Google Drive file. And that's it. You've now created a QR code for Google Drive in just a few simple steps. Quick recap. Open Google Drive, copy the shareable link, paste it into a QR code generator, generate the code, and download it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.